Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use trending CapCut themes. So in order for you to do that, you have to make sure that CapCut is downloaded to your phone. So let's create a new project by tapping new project, and you can select any video or photo that you wish to add, and then you can start from there. Now once you have the photo or the video already, tap edit that you can see on the bottom left corner of your phone, and then scroll on the sides a bit and you can see masked in there. Then just tap this film strip. Now for you to do that effect, like a fading effect going up to down or down to up, so you can just adjust its size. So you can flip it vertically, horizontally, and then you can drag going up to down, and then you can add some effects here, maybe the shake effect, and then adjust the speed and intensity to a lower number. And then if you are all good with that, then just tap that check button on the middle part, and then you can start adjusting your video or your picture until you get the design that you wish to achieve. Just do the process repeatedly until you are done, then tap X. And then if you are done, then you can just simply tap that arrow button on the upper right side. Start downloading your project or the video that you have made. But if you wish to continue editing it later, then you can just tap the check mark and then just go back later on because it will be saved to your project. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.